Hey everybody, I want to try and walk you through a little conversion. So let's try a very simple conversion factor going from centimeters per second to, how about feet per hour? So how do we do this? Well, we have to think about it in terms of these so-called conversion factors. What that means is we're actually multiplying through by a series of factors, each of one equals 1. And you multiply through in such a way that the units cancel out to leave you with the units that you actually want. In this case, you're trying to get rid of centimeters per second and being left with feet per hour. So let's take a look. The only other thing we need to note here, besides a couple of the simpler ones like the 60 seconds in a minute, etc., we should know that there are 2.54 centimeters in 1 inch. Okay, so let's take a look. So you have 1 centimeter per second. Now I'm going to multiply through a series of factors. Now I always find it helpful to do the numerator first. Do the numerator first, get it out of the way, and then do the denominator. So, what am I going to multiply by? Well, I'm going to multiply it by a factor that gets rid of centimeters, which means I have to have centimeters in the denominator. So, 2.54 centimeters per 1 inch. And that cancels out the centimeters. Next, I want to do inches to feet, and that's an easy one. That's going to be 12 inches per 1 foot. And lo and behold, inch goes away, and I'm left actually with feet, which is half the problem. Next, well, I've got to get seconds over to hours. How could I do that? I guess I could do seconds to minutes. What is that? Well, there's 60 seconds per 1 minute. Well, that gets the seconds, but now I've got minutes. How do I go minutes to hours? 60 minutes per hour. So 60 min per hour. And that gets rid of the minutes. And now I'm actually done. In fact, because I'm going to have hours in the denominator. So, in fact, what is my actual answer? Well, the numerator is going to be equal to 60 times 60 all over 2.54 times 12. So, let's take a calculator here. We got 60 times 60, of course that's 3,600. And then divide that by, don't forget to use parentheses, quantity, 2.54 times 12. And that gives us 118. And we actually could take this out to 2 decimal places because all of our factors are at least accurate to 2 decimal places. Now, there's actual units here, and 1 centimeter per second is actually equivalent to 118.11 feet per hour. That's the deal. Pretty cool, eh? All right, everybody. Thanks a whole lot.